G'day guys, these are the coins that I was talking about, and some are really corroded and some are not, as you can see. And yeah, that's the lowest resolution I can do on this thing. So I'll just move the coin up and down just so you can see it. There's some, I don't know if that's meant to be a date or something. That I don't know. To me it looks like, I don't know, 179S. So yeah, that's this one. And yeah, two dudes. Yeah, I don't know anything about these things. And it's got some writing up the top there. Hopefully it's not all being funny the way it's... I'll just do that a little bit. Oh, I don't know if it makes any difference or not. On the back of this, it's funny colorization. But on this thing here, it hasn't. But I've got a stack of these coins. So anyway, that's that one. And I'll flip him over if I can. I'll see his head's on the back of it. It's definitely not Queen Elizabeth. But that's what it's got on it. What does that mean? And who it is? This is actually one of the good ones. Yeah, I don't read that writing, so it's someone who's a coin expert can probably tell me. Oh dear me. I hope I've got the illumination right too. Actually, let's check that. I know there's an adjustment here somewhere. Where are you? Oh, it's on the side here somewhere. There we go. I don't know if that makes it better. Oh, it might make it actually better. Not so flary. What do you think? Hang on, here we go. Oh, it's going to change the light in the room too. So that's probably, might be better like that. And I'll flip him over the other way again. Did I flip him? I'm working behind the camera doing this, and I'm quite a way away from it. But yeah, there's those. We'll call them two dudes, and that's that bizzo written there. Someone made comment when I put a couple of them up on one of the other videos that they knew a lot about these things. So if you know a lot about these things, tell me, because I don't. This is another one. This is where are you? Look at this. It's upside down, I think. It's the same sort of thing, smaller. I don't know if you can make anything out of that. It's very, very corroded. I'd say it's very similar to the other one. We'll see on the. You can see anything there? I don't know. Is there a head there? I don't know. You know, is that a? Oh God, I don't know. I'm probably spinning it around like. I don't. Oh no, hang on. No, around that way. Silly me. There you are. There is a head there. I don't know who it is, but yeah, you can't really make much out of this. It's really corroded. That one is anyway. But here's this one. I think is okay. This is the one I think I put up the other day. This one, and you can see that. I wish I could lift this up more. I can't. And whatever that writing says. Well, that does light it up, but I think it lights it up too much. I'll just put it back down. So that's that, and we'll flip him over to, well, there's something on there. What's that, a spiky head? Oh, there he is. This dude with a spiky helmet and black eyes. But again, it's very corroded, and I have no idea what it says. we get some more of these things. I'm trying to pick out ones that I can actually see, because a lot of them have still got um, mud from. It's like a mud conglomerate on them. Some aren't, and some are. But get in there. What's that? It's. I think that's just corroded. That's really corroded. A little bit of writing there. But I don't think it's very good for anything. Nah, I think that's too far gone. That one. He can escape. I got another great lot of these things. I just got to go through them to see what's interesting to look at. Oh, well, this might be all right. This one's very dark. What's that? I don't know. As soon as I put it under the magnifier, it doesn't look so hot, does it? I don't know what that is. It's got crusties all over it. Flip it over, and yeah, no good. Oh, here's one with a good head on it. We'll do the front of it. It's a small one. Come back here. That one. If I get it upside down. But the other side of it looks all right. I don't know. Maybe that's upside down, is it? I don't know. What's that? Yeah, maybe it goes that way, I think. Possibly. Like I say, I don't know. And I saw a head on this. There he is. Oop, back up. Yeah. That guy. Like I say, I don't know anything about old coins. But I've got an interesting one here. I always thought this one is interesting. And I don't know. But if you look at that, it's actually it looks like gold, but it can't be gold. Because gold doesn't get eaten away like that unless it was very impure. So it looks like gold cladding. Flip him over. And yeah, I really don't know. Or it looks like a coin, or did another coin melt to it, or something like that. But yeah, I don't know. Actually, I should have got the XRF, the company XRF, and hit it, but it's down in Melbourne, so can't really do that. Now, it's another one of these. Oh dear, they're really worse for wear, aren't they? They probably need proper. I don't know what you do with these things. Pickle them. I'm not going to go and put them in hydrochloric acid like I do for gold nuggets. That would be quite. I don't know which way they go. Oh yeah, that way I think. It's funny the way the light plays on this to see what's what, but that's a different head as far as I can tell. Or maybe it's yeah, I don't know. No idea. Maybe someone can read those hieroglyphics. So if I look there, it looks like it says Syria. I don't think it really does, but it's probably just the way it's corroded. Dear. They're funny little things. Yeah. No one like that. It's funny when you magnify them, they don't look as hot as they do otherwise. I think it's got two dudes on it, something in the middle. I'm probably being disrespectful to all the old Roman emperors because I think these are all Roman. Like I say, I don't know. This one is, you're not even going to see what's on this. This is sort of the biggest one, but look at that. I mean, that's chewed out. That's just destroyed. Don't know about that one. No, some of these maybe. Oh, what's that? Gee, that's rough as hell. But it's got some. Oh, it looks like someone sitting down or doing something. I don't know. Is that a person right there? I don't know. And that I don't know. Flip him over, and what's on the back? Or was I on the back and that's the front? Like I say, I don't know. Is that a head? There? I don't know. Please tell me. And what am I looking at? Does it go that way? Like I say, I don't know. I got about another few of these, but these are all really dirty. These are, look at that, you know, it's really stuck on. So these had to be broken apart. No, looks like it's been somewhere too long. Yeah, you know, you got bits of coin like that, but God, I don't think you'd find copper coins in very good condition if they were sitting anywhere near water. And they're so roughly done, aren't they? Like that. What's that? You know, I have no idea. But some of them are okay, some of them are not. And we'll get on to some more interesting things in a minute. That's just covered in gunk. There's a head on this one. There we go. I can see the head there. And then I put it here, and I probably can't. There's a head on it, I'm sure. It's funny, it looks like I can see it better when there's not as much light, but oh well. Flip it round. Oh, you're not going to tell anything of that. It's got some writing there, but like I say, however old these things are, they're pretty old. They're older than my grandfather. Oh dear. Yep. The others are thicker, but it might be just like that's got gunk all over it. I have no idea what's under that. So is that. It's got gunk all over it. Might be a head on that. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Look how worn it is, though. You can see it's a head. The things you find, eh? And I was going to go through the rest quickly, but I do have some good artifacts there coming up in a minute. Yeah, that. Whatever that is. These are all just horrible little things. These are the ones, the little leftovers that have just got stuff all over them. May have a head on it. I was going to get rid of these quickly because, yeah, I don't know. Does it go that way? Maybe. I don't know. There we go. Okay, now where are the other things? Here they are. Over here. This was in proximity. It's probably going to be too much magnification on these, but that patterning there, and I think it's iron. I'm not sure. Don't know. But yeah, it's like little. For these, I think I can probably get rid of this and do it just holding it in front. Yeah, goodbye, it says. And I'll get rid of that. I'll get rid of this. And that's not part of it. That's a $2 coin. Yeah, 200 Australian pesos. Yeah, so this is that one. You can see that. I'll flip it around. Well, it's hit the floor now. That's what happens when you flip and think. I'm looking at the back of the camera trying to fiddle with stuff. That's the back of it. So I think I'll call it the back and front because one part looks good, one part does not. So some little buckley thing, but these have stood up a lot better than what those copper coins have. So, and there's another one too, which is totally different. Without banging the camera, this one. And, you know, they look like something you'd find on a watch strap, but I guarantee you it's not off a watch. So if anyone can give me any information on these, and that's around the other way, whatever is the front and the back. But, you know, to me, these things look old, but it was with all this, yeah, all that stuff. There you go. Look down there. There you go. That's better. yeah, so that's you know, if I had a time machine, I'd go back and buy some salt or something, I suppose. I don't know. Yeah, basically that's what that stuff is. There's probably um, more kicking around somewhere, but yeah, I don't know. Even if I get this thing here, it looks goldy. Try that. In the light, it looks gold. Like you hold it up a bit. I don't know. Do they make brass ones? I have no idea. But you can put it next to that. Hang on. I'll do this like that. And you can see it's sort of a similar colour. I don't think it is an old Australian coin that's been in the fire or anything, because it was all this was located in the same vicinity. Whatever. So yeah, that's what these are. So guys, if you know anyone, even overseas and that, any how about people from Italy, uh, Greece, or anyone who, well, there's been Roman coins all around the world. They're I suppose they're just sprinkled around in just about most places on Earth. And yeah, the story is quite interesting. But I always think it was interesting because it was found on the first fresh water. If you come in on the right-hand side of Port Phillip Bay, you didn't go on the other side. You went in on the Arthur's Seat, big mountain. Well, not really a big mountain. It's a mountain there. It's the only one round. It's Mount Arthur's Seat. It's one mountain. Then you got Mount Martha and Mount Eliza, and then you have good old Frankston, and go around a bit more for about 40 kilometres or 25 miles, and you'll hit Melbourne. So that's the story with these things. So if anyone out there can shed some more light on these things and just say, for sure what they are, what sort of time period, are they all the same time period or are they all different? I don't know. But yeah, it's just part of metal detecting. Like I say, these were found years and years and years ago. Yeah, I'm trying to even work out how long ago. Oh God, 25 years or so, 30 years ago. So they've just been hanging around. So whatever you can tell me, guys, they're only going to get older. So yeah, I don't know. Are they worth anything? They're probably not. I don't know. But yeah, feedback would be great on these because, oops, there we go. Told you I'd hit the camera. I'll leave it there. Happy days. Catch us later.